You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce a double S in a word in French, and I'll explain how that works and why with quite a few different examples. So double S in French simply is pronounced like an S, so a S sound, like this word saucisson, which is like a sausage or a dry sausage. Saucisse would be a sausage, saucisson is a dry sausage. Croissant, you probably know that word, croissant. So what does double S mean? Well, double S means it's pronounced like an S. So let's take this example. On the left you have a dessert, which is what you know as a dessert, right? Dessert, like a cake. Dessert, so you have a clear S sound. Now if you remove one of the S's to dessert, you pronounce it as dessert, dessert. So if there's only one S between two vowels in French, it's pronounced like a Z, and that's the same often. No, it's really between two vowels. If it's an S at the beginning of a word, it's still going to be pronounced like an S. So the right word here is désert, désert, meaning desert. The left word is dessert, dessert, double S, dessert, one S, okay? So placing two S's in the middle of a word means it's pronounced like an S. Dessin, this means drawing. If there was only one S here, it'd be dessin, which is not a word. Dessin. Final example, classe, as in a class or a classroom. Classe. And now you know. Does that make sense? I hope it did. Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support. It helps a lot. Much. Merci beaucoup. And more videos for you here to learn more French. See you there. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.